y'all, today I'm going to be opening up another shoe and heel mystery box from America's Thrift Supply. This box is $20 plus shipping and tax. Something exciting is America's Thrift Supply has supplied my followers with a 15% off discount until September 8th, 2022. So if you want to get 15% off any mystery box from America's Thrift Supply, just use the code Murray at checkout and you'll get 15% off. I did pay for this box with my own money, just like my last America's Thrift Supply shoe and heel mystery box. Super excited to bust it in. But before I do, this video is going to be a collab with my girl Jess over at Gorgeous. She also purchased this box. Spoiler, pretty sure she got a good one. So make sure to click on the link in my description box. After you're done watching this video, go check out Jess's unboxing. Let me show you what they sent me. My last box was so good, so I'm trying to keep expectations down because I think my last one was possibly the best mystery box I've received of 2022 for the price. So yeah, trying to keep my expectations low, but really excited about this box. So let's go ahead and open it. All right, so here is how my box came. Everything looks like it's wrapped up in plastic. Here's my invoice on top. I paid $40 for this box after all was said and done. But remember, with the code Murray, you will get 15% off if you decide to purchase this box, or I think any box on the website, before September 8th. All right, let's dig in and see what we got. I'm seeing a lot of heels, so let's just go ahead and start digging in. Okay, first one on top, this is Antonio Milani. These are size 9.5, and it looks like they are a pair of square toe, like kitten heels. It looks like they have leather bottoms. Not too bad of wear right here on the bottom. Here's the other one right here. Overall, these are in really good condition. I don't really sell a lot of heels or just shoes in general because I hate cleaning shoes, but it seems like the shoes that come in these boxes are really clean, so I'm really happy about that. All right, next pair. This is by Mix number 6. I see this a lot at thrift stores. This is in the style Layla. These are size US 8. Again, not a ton of wear. I don't see any flaws. Just like a peep toe, little glittery metallic heel. And here is the other one. Yeah, these look like they were not used very much. Still in good condition. All right, a pair of nude heels. These are by Jessica Simpson. And these are a size, if I can find it. Okay, I see on this shoe, these are a size 8. I do see on this heel here, it looks like there is some wear. Yeah, just a pair of closed, rounded toe, nude pumps. So these are okay. All right, next we got a pair of Guess heels. Let me see if I can find the size on these. These are leather upper, 7.5, closed toe, pointy toe. Good size heel on these. Again, these are in really good condition. I don't see really a lot of damage on these. I don't see the match on top, so we'll have to find this at the end. Here's another heel here. This is Christian Siriano for Payless. To be honest, I probably won't list these. These also look like they have like an indentation right here that probably would be hard to put back. Just a pair of patent leather pumps. I wonder if they got these two mistaken. We'll find out. All right, looks like we got some boots here. So these are nice. These are Vince Camuto. I've sold some very similar boots to these. Black, almost knee-height boots. I don't see, just glancing at these, I don't see any major flaws. The bottoms look like they're in really good condition. Let's check out the other pair here. Yeah, not seeing anything major on these. So these I definitely will list. I probably will make all the money back on the box just on these boots right here. These are a good pair. All right. Another pair of boots. I don't see any brand on the bottoms. So let's look inside the shoe and see if we can find it. Let me get my flashlight. Let's see if we can see if we can see down there. Okay, so these are actually Steve Madden, which is a great brand. These are the Fiola leather, size 8. Love these. I love this style. So knee length, closed toe, black suede boots. These are great. Here's the other pair. Very minimal wear on the bottoms. It looks like they do have like a slouchy feature. You can have that go up or down. Yeah, I really like these. All right, let's see what else is in here. So here we have, ooh, nice, some Cole Haans. And these look like to be Nike Air bottoms. And these are a size 6.5B. And they're like a pair of olive green. I always forget, are these called driving shoes or riding shoes? You guys know. I think they're called driving shoes. Driving loafers or something. Anyway, yeah, they're in really good condition. I've only sold Cole Haan a few times, but I think each time it has sold. All right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, we got some Franco Sartos, and these are in a size 9.5 leather upper. Yeah, these shoes look like they weren't worn very much. Yeah, the great thing about these boxes is there's just not a lot of wear on these shoes, which I definitely appreciate because you guys already know I am not going to be cleaning shoes. So these are good ones. All right, it looks like we got some sneakers in here. So let's go ahead and pull some out. I did just open a Nike, it's the Nike $60 mystery box from America's Thrift Supply. If you missed it, I'll link it above. But these are a pair of New Balances. I don't even know if these were worn. If they were, hardly. They still have the stuffing in them. Size 9.5, $8.47. I mean, these look like they're in excellent oh yeah, I don't think they've ever been worn. There's the tag right here. So I actually will list these as new. There's no wear on these. These are great. All right, last pair, y'all. And these are, no way. These are Tory Burch winner chicken freaking dinner, man. Okay. And these are in great condition, and they look like they're a bigger size. Look at these. There's like no wear. So these look like they're like a lace-up crochet. They have like this crochet detail on them. Cool. What size are these? These just feel like they're maybe a bigger size. All right, so these are a size 10. These are a great shoe. I am really happy with this box. Again, this box was not sponsored. I did pay my own money for this box. Super happy. I think really the only ones I'm not going to list, well, I'm not going to list these two because unfortunately they were mixed up in the box. So these are unlistable because I only have one pair. And I don't think I'm going to also list these Jessica Simpsons just because they have like that indentation right there. So I think I'm going to hold off. So I cannot list 3 out of the 10 pairs. However, I still think it was a good box. You guys make sure to go check out my friend Jess's YouTube unboxing. I'm going to leave her channel linked down below. That way you can see what she got in hers. Hers is also unsponsored. So yeah, thank you, America's Thrift Supply. I really enjoyed this box again. Definitely think I will be repurchasing. You guys let me know, have you purchased this box before? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your box was. This is a newer company. They just started June of 2022. So the more feedback we can give them, the more customer reviews we get. It helps not only them make better boxes for us, but it also helps other resellers and consumers decide if they want to purchase these boxes. Use Murray to get 15% off your next America's Thrift Supply box. And I will see y'all very soon. I've been filming in front of this dang thrift haul for I think the past 3-4 videos. Next video will be this haul. Stay tuned for that. If you came over from Jess's channel, hey, what's up? My name's Alicia. I am a full-time reseller and I love to open mystery boxes. So I will see you guys very soon for a new video. Until then, bye y'all.